Using the camera shutter transition is a super quick and easy way to level up any edit. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Corey from CNS Media, and today we're going to be breaking down the super simple and super easy transition known as the camera shutter transition. It's a quick transition that'll help spice up any edit. It's widely popular in travel films, but it can be applied to any videos across the board. In Premiere Pro, with the imported clips you want to use for this transition, place them on your timeline above where you want this transition to start. In your effects folder, search for the transform effect and add it to the clip you want to use on the transition. In the effect controls, make a keyframe at the first frame and drag the position all the way up out of frame. Then go 3 frames forward and make another keyframe on the position and bring it down to its original position. To make this just look a little bit more seamless, we're going to add one of my favorite things, motion blur. To do this, we'll unclick the shutter angle box and increase the number from 0 to 180. You can repeat this as many times as you want for this transition. There's no right way or wrong way about it. It all comes down to what you, the creator, likes or what the video calls for. One last thing you really want to do to help sell this effect is add some sound effects. Place the sound of the camera shutter click under the clip that you're using for the transition. Repeat the sound effect for however many clips you have in the transition. To tie this all together, add a riser underneath everything just to really help build this transition. If you learned anything new from today's tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe as I'll be releasing some new videos in the near future. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.